Alrighty, we are here getting ready for the America Match, my first ever shooting competition. Rocking the NASCAR shades because it is America themed, and frankly, I look kind of silly. There's a bunch of dudes here in all kinds of red, white, and blue, and so I didn't get the memo about the theme, but here I am. Not gonna lie, pretty nervous, a little just like rattled because I have no clue like what I need to carry, what I don't need to carry, what I should have on me, extra stuff. This is my first time, so definitely just kind of figuring it out as I go. Already met some very helpful people, so just gonna do my absolute best and learn along the way.
We're going to try to do this every year. We got a lot of support from a lot of local vendors making all this possible. Buick Pizza Department, Unknown Munitions, Ex-Babylon, Genesis Arms, and Freedom Munitions all kicked in to make this possible. So send them some appreciation, show them some love. Taking your business when you get the opportunity. We appreciate them supporting you.
Are you ready? Stand by. I know what that's. Slam it in, Ryan. 5, 8, 1, 2.
Stand by. Flag it. 29.94. Stand by.
So glad to have you guys on this journey. If you like what you're seeing, if you want to see more about what it's like to go on this story from average Joe to savage Joe, then I would love for you to be a part of this channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, the notifications button, and you know what? Go down, leave a comment, tell me what you'd love to see more from this channel, because really at the end of the day, it's all for you guys. Until then, go punch the day in the teeth. Tac Tac out.